December 7th, 1944, a V-2 MA-333 rocket launched from Germany. The V-2 was a liquid-fueled rocket designed by Germany during World War II to be used as a weapon against Allied cities. It was the world's first long-range guided ballistic missile. It had a range of like over 350 kilometers, which is almost 200 miles. So it was the first rocket to ever go beyond Earth's atmosphere at the Kármán line, 100 kilometers or 62 miles. The V-2 was developed by a man named Wernher von Braun, who came to America and built several more rockets, including the Saturn V, which took us to the moon during the Apollo program. In 1945, an event called Operation Paperclip brought almost 1,200 German scientists and engineers to the United States. I was able to look at some of the archives, so some of the artifacts that we have in our archives, and this included an original V-2 blueprint and also some V-2 hardware pieces. So, December 7th, 1961, NASA postponed its first orbital flight during Mercury, but they did announce plans to develop a two-man Mercury capsule, which during the Mercury program, they only sent one astronaut to space at a time. So going into Gemini, they needed to develop a capsule for two people aboard a Titan II booster. The goal was to rendezvous and dock with the Agena satellite for the first time. And rendezvous and docking was a really big objective during Gemini to prepare us to go to the moon and be able to rendezvous and dock up and down from the lunar surface. First original 7 astronauts during Mercury were called the Mercury 7. Many of these test pilots were chosen for the Gemini program in addition to several others known as the Next 9.